So I used only oil and water in this video to prove to you that you don't have to do too much to grow your baby's hair. I understand the desire to want to grow out your hair very fast, but I want to let you know that you don't need to do too much. You're doing too much and you're not seeing results. You're trying so many things at the same time and you're not seeing results. My biggest win or my biggest technique as regards to my children's hair growth journey is my method of taking care of their hair, is my technique of taking care of their hair. Do you get? So the way you take care of your hair matters a lot. The way you handle your hair, the way you detangle your hair, the way you handle your hair at different stages matters. Are you being gentle or are you being rough? So there's one thing I want you to understand. A simple logic I want you to bear in mind. Your hair is growing from the scalp. If you're not seeing length, if your scalp is healthy and everything is okay and you're still not seeing length, then your hair is breaking. It is in fact breaking faster than it is growing out of your scalp. Now that you know that your hair is definitely growing, please, I'm sorry about the noises. Now that you know that your hair is growing, all you need to figure out is how to prevent your hair from breaking. Because if your hair is growing half an inch and your hair is cutting more than half an inch a month, in fact, your hair is going to keep reducing. Do you understand? So breakage is your enemy and you just have to figure out how to stop your hair from breaking. And the only way that I've found to stop hair from breaking is gentleness. If you've been following me and you've been watching me when I'm taking care of my children's hair, you would notice that I always preach about being gentle, because that is the only way that I have seen results. So let's forget about this DIY and that DIY and this mask and that hair mask. Let's talk about the way that you handle your hair or your child's hair. Okay, let's think about that for a moment, because less breakage equals length retention. In this video, I am showing you how I use only oil and water. I know some people are going to still argue that that thing in the black container is not water. That is why I showed from the beginning what I poured inside the container. You could see that it is a sachet water, and then I used only oil and water to detangle my baby's hair. I don't know if I was able to gather the hair that she lost, but I'm telling you, it is not much. It is not much. So once you know now that less breakage equals length retention, which equals growth, then the next thing that you're going to figure out is what am I going to do to retain length? What am I going to do to prevent my hair from breaking? And the first thing that you have to do is to be gentle. You could use aloe vera or okra gel or flaxseed or all the slimy products on earth, and you're still not gentle and you will rip your hair. That is why gentleness is my first point, my number one point. Then once you've mastered the art of being gentle with your hair, and now you can figure out, okay, what else can I use? How best can I do this? How best can I do this? Can I use aloe vera to get the best results? Can I use just a leave-in conditioner to get the best results? Do you understand? So it is important that you be gentle when you're taking care of your hair. It doesn't matter if you choose to use just oil and water, or if you choose to use every other thing. Do you understand? So the normal routine for me, on a normal day, I love to infuse my water with herbs. On a normal day, if I don't have it, I go with plain water. This video is just a demonstration video, right? Now, after I finish spraying the hair or damping the hair with water, It is advisable to go in with a leave-in conditioner. If you are going in with only oil, the moisture is not going to last for long. That is what I've noticed. So applying a leave-in conditioner, because leave-in conditioner is moisture again added to the water, right? Leave-in conditioner is a thicker moisture compared to just the plain water, right? So once you add the thicker moisture, which is the leave-in conditioner, you can now go ahead and seal with your oil and your pomade. And if you do this simple step, your hair is going to stay moisturized for a very long time. Yeah, this is the amount of hair that she shedded, and this is the length that we have been able to accumulate. Her hair is just 1 year old. So guys, I hope that you found this video helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. If you like this kind of content, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in this video next. Take care of yourself. Ciao.